Technology has always been a driving force in shaping the future. It brings us closer together, makes our lives easier, and opens up new possibilities that we once thought impossible. As we enter a new era of technological innovation, we're seeing an influx of cutting-edge gadgets that are set to shape the future. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 5 futuristic tech gadgets and explore how they're set to change the world. First up are autonomous drones. They are unmanned aerial vehicles that can operate without human intervention. These drones are equipped with sensors, cameras, and other advanced technologies that allow them to navigate their surroundings and perform a variety of tasks. One of the most significant applications of autonomous drones is the delivery system. Companies like Amazon and Google are already testing autonomous drone delivery systems, which promise to deliver packages faster and more efficiently than traditional delivery methods. Autonomous drones can be used in agriculture, construction, and even search and rescue operations. In agriculture, drones can be used to monitor crops, collect data, and even spray crops with precision. This can reduce the amount of pesticides and fertilizers needed, making agriculture more sustainable and environmentally friendly. As far as construction, drones can be used to survey job sites, track progress, and inspect structures. This can save time and reduce costs, as well as improve safety by reducing the need for workers to climb scaffolding or other high structures. In search and rescue operations, drones can be used to locate missing persons or survey areas that are difficult to access. This can save time and resources, as well as increase the chances of finding the missing person. As autonomous drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications in a variety of industries. However, it is important to note that there are also concerns around privacy and safety, as well as the potential impact on jobs. It will be important for regulations to be put in place to address these issues as the use of autonomous drones becomes more widespread. Next up is the Withings Body Scan. The Withings Body Scan is a futuristic tech gadget that allows you to track and monitor your body composition from the comfort of your own home. This device is a Wi-Fi enabled smart scale that measures your weight, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and water percentage, giving you a comprehensive view of your body composition. One of the key benefits of the Withings Body Scan is the ability to track your progress over time. With the companion app, you can set goals, track your weight and body composition, and even receive personalized recommendations for diet and exercise based on your goals. The Withings Body Scan also integrates with other health and fitness apps such as Apple Health and MyFitnessPal, allowing you to easily track and monitor your progress across multiple platforms. Another key feature of the Withings Body Scan is the ability to track multiple users. This means that you and your family members can all use the device to track your body composition, and the device will automatically recognize each user and sync the data to their individual profiles. The Withings Body Scan also features a sleek and modern design that will complement any bathroom decor. The device is easy to set up and to use, with a simple interface that makes it easy to track your progress and monitor your body composition. If you're new here and you're enjoying this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Let's move on to the Tesla Cyber Squad. It's an upcoming electric ATV that is set to be released by Tesla. This futuristic tech gadget is designed for off-road use and promises to offer a unique and exciting driving experience. The Tesla Cyber Squad is expected to feature a powerful electric motor and battery system that will provide impressive performance both on and off-road. With its all-wheel drive system and advanced suspension, the Cyber Squad is designed to tackle even the most challenging terrain. One of the most exciting features of the Tesla Cyber Squad is its unique design. The vehicle is expected to feature a sleek and modern design that is instantly recognizable as a Tesla product. The Cyber Squad is also expected to be highly customizable, with a wide range of options for colors and other design elements. Another key feature of the Tesla Cyber Squad is its advanced technology. The vehicle is expected to feature a range of sensors and cameras that will provide real-time data on the vehicle's performance, as well as advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking and lane departure warnings. The Tesla Cyber Squad is also expected to be highly efficient and environmentally friendly, with zero emissions and low operating costs compared to traditional gas-powered ATVs. Biometric security systems are quickly becoming the go-to method for securing data in physical spaces. These systems use unique physical characteristics like fingerprints, facial recognition, or voice prints to verify a person's identity. They offer a higher level of security than traditional password-based systems and are becoming increasingly popular in high-security settings like airports, banks, and government buildings. Consumer devices like smartphones have also integrated biometric security systems. For example, Samsung's Face ID and Touch ID features use facial recognition and fingerprints to verify a user's identity before allowing access to the device. These biometric features are becoming increasingly common in smartphones and other consumer devices. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more sophisticated biometric security systems being used to secure sensitive data and physical spaces. Some companies are exploring the use of behavioral biometrics, which analyzes a person's patterns of behavior to determine their identity. Other companies are developing biometric systems that can recognize a person's unique heartbeat or brainwaves. Overall, biometric security systems offer a promising solution for securing data and physical spaces. As these systems continue to improve and become more affordable, we can expect to see them become more widely adopted in a variety of settings. Holographic displays are an exciting development in the world of tech that use laser technology to create 3D images and videos that appear to be floating in midair. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we consume media and interact with digital content. Holographic displays work by using laser beams to create interference patterns that appear to create a 3D image in midair. These images can be viewed from any angle and provide a more immersive and realistic experience than traditional 2D displays. Holographic displays have a wide range of potential applications. They could be used in gaming and entertainment to create more immersive experiences for users. They could also be used in education to provide more interactive and engaging learning experiences. One of the most significant advancements in this field is Microsoft's HoloLens. The HoloLens is a mixed reality headset that uses holographic displays to create an immersive experience for users. It overlays virtual images onto the real world, allowing users to interact with both digital and physical objects in real time. The HoloLens is already being used in a variety of applications. In healthcare, it's been used to assist in surgeries and to train medical professionals. In engineering, it's been used to visualize and design complex systems. In education, it's been used to provide more interactive and engaging learning experiences. Overall, holographic displays have the potential to revolutionize the way we consume media and interact with digital content. As the technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more applications and use cases for holographic displays in a variety of fields. Technology is rapidly advancing, and we're seeing a wealth of new and exciting gadgets that have the potential to shape the future in unimaginable ways. These technologies will change the way we live, work, and interact with each other, and we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. As we look towards the future, it's clear that technology will play an increasingly important role in shaping the world we live in. If this breakdown was helpful, please leave a like to let me know, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next video.